guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make your video, add a smooth slow motion to your videos on CapCut PC. So here, if you're on video, make sure you select speed, and if you want it to transform from a normal speed to slow speed, just go to customize and then go to the part where you want the slow motion to be and move it down, but just the right part. Make sure you take smooth slow motion and also check optical flow. It does take longer if you select this bit, but it will make your slow motion smoother. So you're just going to wait for it to process according to the duration of your video. It does take longer if your video is longer. And once the process is done, you'll have this smooth slow motion, hopefully. And yeah, that is basically it. You can also go to the normal page and not add in any curves, and then slide this to the left and then add in optical flow. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!